Omubirigiro mubuzo bya senior ya mukago mwaka guhwire 2022 nibyoreko kwa abana babishiki bakozire je obucweka nshanje na butano n'akatonyezo kamwe harigana bashikire kuza kushoma degree aha university wageragerana sana n'aboojo obucweka nkaga na mushanje harigana bitugomba rugwa bishiki abarukweza senior ya mukaga nugwe yongera kucendera abishiki mutware na rushanje 13 nubo bashitamire buzo mwaka gw'2022 wagerageranisa na nabishike mutware ena 19 abashitamire buzo mwaka gw'2022 abishike nabwe basingira aboojo mu mashomo ga arts gona okubara na physics dera aboojo basinga mu agriculture, chemistry, biology, art hamwe na general paper.
Similarly, those getting 2 principal passes, if you look at the same column, the percentage is 70.3 against 69.8, also a slight increase. So despite the fact that candidature dropped slightly in terms of percentages or proportions, we are seeing better performance in this particular year. Honorable Minister, the failure rate has more or less remained the same at 0.8%.
Oguna bwe yayire ko kwerarikira ahabwa bejo kweyongera gukora kubi biology na naganda amashomo ga science.
From the chairperson's speech, the performance in biology has again dropped below that of 2020, where it had risen. Examiners have attributed this to candidates showing a lot of problems in questions on genetics, ecology, and applications of biological concepts to the environment, classification, and the inability to handle very simple mathematical computations in biology.
Female candidates have proportionally, that is in terms of percentages, performed better than the males at all levels and have shown a lower failure rate. Even at individual subject levels, they have shown better performance.
Omubaro gw'abeji abarukushitamira ebibuzo bya senior ya mukaga gwenugwe yongera kucendera myaka 5 hingwire omwaka oguhwire 2022 abeje mitwaro 9 nubo bashitamira ebibuzo wagerageranisa n'abeje mitwaro 9 omwaka gw'2022.
We have more learners taking up sciences, whereas other subjects are important for the development of morals and other aspects of life. Industrial development, which is the foundation of economic growth, depends a lot on science, technology, engineering, and mathematics subjects. On that note, I'm glad to observe the increase in quality pass levels at principal pass A in mathematics and chemistry.
Minister Muyingo nabwe yajumerera amashomero agw'abana bacuru kutuntuza abagenzi babo nk'ishomero rya Chamate Secondary School muri Ntungamo eyibokizo mu mubeja kaferaho.
On this note, I call upon the heads of schools to take interest in unacceptable behavior of some students who still practice bullying in our schools. The incident that took place at Chamate SS was very unfortunate, and it must never be allowed to reoccur again anywhere in our schools.
Abeje mitwaro mukaga kashanjornani 15 nubo batongere principal pass 2 kandi abantu bo barukwikirizwa kuzaha university okushoma degree wagerageranisa n'abeji emitwaro mukaga kanani 13 omwaka gw'2022 ebuzo by'abaniganiye 13 byo byakwatwa ahabwa TV West and area Sertugusa.